ever heard. And he has agreed to come out and share with you guys a little bit of his knowledge. So this fella here is a true example for us young fellas here in our community of what it is to be called a man. This man has served his country. This man has served the people from here in his capacity as storyteller, as a wisdom keeper, and now as one of our elders. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Llyod Arneach.
I have suffered a couple of mini strokes several years ago, and so I'm going to share a very short session, not very long. And please apologize for my lack of voice. But when I meet people, they generally say, "Oh, how are you doing?" "Fine." I said, "Well, are you new to this area?" I said, "Yeah." "Well, have you seen the elk?" "Oh, yeah. "Well, have you seen the white-tailed deer?" Yes. "Have you seen the moose?" "Moose? You have moose up here?" "No, we don't. That's why if you see the moose, I go to tell the game warden, we got a moose on the loose." So the story I'm going to share is very, very short, but it's all I've got energy for in terms of wind and speaking. When I met a hunter here in Cherokee, I was born and raised here, and then traveled over to Vietnam, Thailand, Washington, D.C. in the terms of service. But I came back here and I met an individual who was very proud, very strong. I said, "Really, how brave are you?" He said, "Oh, I'm very brave." "Well, give an example." "Well, I hunt black bear with a blowgun." I said, "Boy, you're really a storyteller, aren't you?" "Storyteller? What makes you do that?" "You've never hunted black bear, have you?" "You still walking. No problem with you, no injury. So obviously you didn't tangle with him." And with a blowgun, we don't use poison on darts. Just hit the blowgun and the dart hits the bear, and the bear turns around and says, "Where'd that come from?" You shot me." And you see two people heading through the forest very quickly. Usually one is very fast in front of the bear. So it goes. Anyhow, behind us, there is a mountain just beyond this ridge. And you can see it. It's called Rattlesnake Mountain. And it was called that because there were so many rattlesnake dens on that mountain. And the dens started coming down the mountain. And they got close to houses, and there were kids in the houses, and they would play outside, and we were afraid that rattlesnakes would come down, and the kids would get bitten by the rattlesnakes. So the adults went up, and they dynamited the dens, and now they're just rattlesnake up near the top of the mountain. But that's how the mountain got its name, Rattlesnake Mountain, for all the rattlesnakes that used to be there. I want to tell you about another creature we have, and it's back here in the freshwater. People say, "Well, you got any unique animals?" Yes, we do. We have an animal called the water dog. What is that? It's it's a Cocker Spaniel or an Irish Setter. No, it's not a dog at all. It's a lizard. It starts out about 5 inches long, and it'll grow up to 2 feet long. And it's not poisonous. It doesn't have fangs. It doesn't have teeth. But I have been swimming in the river and somebody say, snake, snake, and everybody pick up a stick, and they see snakes going by. There he goes, there he goes. And everybody's pointing at the snake, so they knew where the snake was. But you say water dog, and you got holes in the water. People getting out of the water so fast. And I've never heard of anybody being bitten or hurt by water dog. I've heard of them getting hurt, getting away from water dog, but not because of water dog itself. Thank you for listening to me. That is not all I've got the energy for, but thank you. John, thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome, and thank you.